स्टूडेंट्स, आप क्लास 12 आज आप लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर बता रहे हैं। कल की वीडियो में आप लोग एक्सप्लेनेशन बताए थे। आइए क्वेश्चन आंसर पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, आंसर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों को उत्तर दीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर, हु वाज ट्रेवलिंग इन ए ट्रेन। रेलगाड़ी में कौन यात्रा कर रहा था? आंसर, द ऑथर वाज ट्रेवलिंग इन ए ट्रेन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वेयर वाज द ऑथर गोइंग। लेखक कहाँ जा रहा था? आंसर, द ऑथर वाज गोइंग टू मिडलैंड फ्रॉम लंदन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, फ्रॉम वेयर डिड अल्फा ऑफ द प्लाउ बिगिन हिज जर्नी। अल्फा ऑफ द प्लाउ अर्थात लेखक या एज द गार्डनर अपनी यात्रा कहाँ शुरू? आंसर, अल्फा ऑफ द प्लाउ बिगैन हिज जर्नी फ्रॉम लंदन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ट्रेन वाज ही गोइंग इन। वह किस प्रकार की रेलगाड़ी से जा रहा था? आंसर, he was going in the train of a kind of slow moving and it stops at each station. Question number 5, what did the author think by the time the train left London? लेखक के द्वारा क्या सोचा कि जब रेलगाड़ी जो है लंदन से रवाना हुई? आंसर, the author thought by the time about the eternity. The author thought eternity by the time the train left London. Question number 6, what is the pleasure in a train when you are quite alone in the compartment? जब आप डिब्बे में अकेले हो तो उस समय रेलगाड़ी में क्या आनंद होता है? आंसर, when we are quite alone in the compartment of a train there is much pleasure. We can play marbles, we can talk ourselves, we can cry so loudly that nobody is there to listen. We can sleep, dance, we can do anything. Question number 7, what did Mr. A.G. Gardner do while traveling alone in the compartment? मिस्टर A.G. गार्डनर क्या किए जब वो रेलगाड़ी डिब्बे में अकेले यात्रा कर रहे थे? मिस्टर A.G. गार्डनर stretched his foot and lit a cigarette and started to smoke, and then he started to read while he was traveling alone in the compartment. Question number 8, when did the author became aware of his fellow traveler? लेखक जो है अपने सहयात्री के बारे में कब जागरूक हुआ? आंसर, the author became aware of his fellow traveler when he was reading some article. He came and sat on his nose. Question number 8, what did Alpha of the plow do when a mosquito sat on his nose? अल्फा ऑफ द प्लाउ अर्थात लेखक ने क्या किया जब मच्छर जो उसकी नाक पर बैठ गया? आंसर, अल्फा ऑफ द प्लाउ flicked him off when a mosquito sat on his nose. Question number 10, what did the mosquito do to avoid the sentence of death? मच्छर जो है मृत्यु की सजा से बचने के लिए क्या किया? The mosquito did many things to avoid the sentence of death. He moved around in his corner and fluttered near the lamp and saved from the blow of the writer. Question number 11, why did the mosquito disturb the author's repose? मच्छर ने लेखक की दशा का क्यों जो है बाधा पहुंचाई? आंसर, द मॉस्किटो डिस्टर्ब द ऑथर्स रिपोज बिकॉज द ऑथर वाज इन much better condition. He was reading a magazine with all attention. Meanwhile, The mosquito disturbed the author's repose. Question number 12. What did the author think when the mosquito sat on the newspaper? लेखक ने क्या सोचा जब मच्छर जो है उसके पढ़ने वाले समाचार पत्र पर बैठ गया? Answer. The author thought magnanimity when the mosquito sat on the newspaper because he felt that this little insect is my fellow traveler in my loneliness. Question number 13. What relationship did the author develop with the mosquito? लेखक ने उस मच्छर के साथ किस प्रकार का जो संबंध विकसित किया? Answer. The author developed a relationship of friendship with the mosquito. Question number 14. What was the mosquito doing when the author closed the door of his compartment? मच्छर क्या कर रहा था जब लेखक ने रेलगाड़ी के डिब्बे का दरवाज़ा बंद किया? Answer. The mosquito was fluttering round the lamp when the author closed the door of his compartment. Question number 3. Give a brief description of the train Mr. A.G. Gardner are traveling by. We have to write the answer of this question in 30 words. Before this, I solve the question of 10 words. Mr. A.G. Gardner was traveling by a slow moving train from London to Midland, and it stops at every station, and he feels about the eternity of time. Question number 2. Why did the author call the train as one of those trains which gave you an understanding of eternity? Answer. The author called the train as one of those trains which gave you an understanding of eternity because it was moving very slowly, and it stops at every suburban station. Question number 3. What does the abbreviation DORA stand for? DORA जो है का संक्षिप्त जो है उसका किसका प्रतीक हो, इसका पूरा नाम क्या है? The abbreviation DORA stands for Defense of Realm Act. Question number 4. What did the writer say when the mosquito seated himself impudently on the back of his hand? The answer. लेखक ने लेखक क्या कहा जब जो है मच्छर जो है ढीठता से उसके जो है हाथ के पिछले भाग पर बैठा? Answer. The writer said, you are public nuisance, you have no meat coupon, and you are traveling without ticket. When the mosquito seated himself impudently on the back of his hand. Question number 5. Why did justice demand the award of death sentence? न्याय जो है मृत्यु की सजा की मांग क्यों करती है? Answer. Justice demanded the award of death sentence because the mosquito was stinging the writer, and he had no meat coupon, and he was a public nuisance. He was teasing the public without any permission. Question number 6. What did the fellow traveler do to avoid the sentence of death? उस लेखक का सहयात्री जो है मृत्यु की सजा से बचने के लिए क्या किया? Answer. The fellow traveler did many things, many tactics to avoid the sentence of death. He moved toward the burning lamps in the compartment, and fluttering from all the corners, he rounded throughout the whole compartment. Question number 7. Why did the author feel humiliated and how did he react to it? लेखक ने उपहास क्यों महसूस किया और वह इस पर क्या प्रतिक्रिया दिया? आंसर, द ऑथर फेल्ट ह्यूमिलिएटेड बिकॉज he could not kill the mosquito which was a small insect, and then he reacted that I adopted the black cap and I wanted to kill you because you are a public nuisance. Question number 8. Who was the skillful matador finishing round an infuriated bull? एक कुशल जो है बैल से लड़ने वाले की तरह कौन था जो पूरे गुस्से में था? आंसर, द मॉस्किटो वाज ए स्किलफुल matador finishing round an infuriated bull because 3 times he disturbed the rider and teased with his sharp and bingy beak he stung to the rider. Thanks. Jai Hind.